Today we're making the most delicious homemade pumpkin pie using fresh roasted pumpkin from Grammy's garden. And we're pairing it with my gingerbread graham cracker crust. It's warm, cozy, and adds the perfect holiday flavor. Let's get started. Add your graham crackers to a food processor and pulse until they turn into fine crumbs. You'll need about 2 cups of crumbs for an 11-inch pie. Now add melted butter, a sprinkle of coconut sugar or brown sugar if you're using it, and a pinch of salt. Mix until the texture feels like damp sand and holds together when you squeeze it. Pour the mixture into your pie plate and press it in firmly along the bottom and up the sides. I like to use the bottom of a measuring cup to get those clean, crisp edges. Bake the crust at 325 degrees for about 10 minutes, just to set it. Then let it cool while we make the pie filling. In a large bowl, add 3 cups of your homemade pumpkin puree. Then whisk in 4 eggs, heavy cream, milk, maple syrup, and a little vanilla. Next we add all of our spices: cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, clove, allspice, and a little salt. This blend is warm and cozy and pairs so well with the gingerbread crust. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and fully combined. For the silkiest texture, pour your filling through a mesh strainer. This removes any lumps or fibers and gives you that perfect custard finish. Pour the filling into your cool gingerbread crust. Tap the pie gently on the counter to release any air bubbles. Bake the pie at 325 degrees for 60 to 75 minutes. The edges should be set and the center should have a little jiggle when you shake the pan. Remember, the pie continues to set as it cools. Let the pie cool completely on the counter. This usually takes about 3 to 4 hours. And that's it! The perfect homemade pumpkin pie with gingerbread graham cracker crust. It's creamy, cozy, and full of warm holiday flavor. If you try it, let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching and happy holidays from Wild Apple Homestead. We'll see you on the next one.